via digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series program. Fibonacci series program in Python. Fibonacci series program in Python. Here, what is Fibonacci series? What is a series? Series means a collection of numbers. For example, the Fibonacci series collection of numbers are first value is 0, and the next value is 1. Any collection of values, 1 is the series, one type of series, and next value 1, next value 2, 3, 5, and the next value is 8, and the next value is 13. How to generate the Fibonacci series first of all? So now here, first number is 0. This is the first number. This is the first number. They assume that this is called as a first number. And another number, second number, this is called the second number. These two numbers are initialized first. First number is 0 and the second number is 1. And initialize the third number. Third number is, this is third number. Third number equal to generate the third number, first number plus second number. First number, second number. First number plus second number. First number value is 0. First number value is 0. Plus the second number value is 1. 0 plus 1, the one is assigned to third number. Okay, clear up here. Again the next one, and next here, after generating the third number, change these two positions. After generating the third number, again assume that this is the first number. Here this is, and the next time this is first number, and this is the second number. This is second number. And we generate this is the third number. First number, second number, and third number. So this is the first number value plus second number equal to third number. Again the next time. Again if you want to see this result, this is the first number and this is the second number. Generate the series up to n numbers. How many numbers you want? The input is n numbers. You want the n numbers and the numbers. This is a series. Fibonacci series. Print the value. the logic is third number equal to first number plus second number. For example, we are assuming the first number is A, the second number is B, and the third number is C. Third number C equal to A plus B. Print the result and the generate this number by using n numbers. So these numbers are enclosed in the square bracket and run the program. Now, how many numbers you want? N value. N equal to input from the user. N equal to input of enter. How many numbers you want? In the Fibonacci series, how many numbers you want? In Fibonacci series, how many numbers you want? In Fibonacci series, how many numbers you want? N numbers you want. Okay, this is the n numbers you want. Okay, clear. After entering, so now here write the logic. The logic is first number is A value is 0. The second number is B value is 1. And next print the first number and second number. First of all, print of A and print of B. Print the value of the A and B. First two numbers are printed immediately. After assigning the value, and immediately first two numbers are printed. And now here, I value equal to 1. Here, I value equal to 1. Initialize I is a control variable. To control the variable, to transfer the variable, the I value equal to 1. While I is less than or equal to n minus 2. That means already two numbers are printed. So that's why n minus 2. The remaining numbers are only n minus 2. In the n numbers, two numbers is already printed, n minus 2 value. C equal to A plus B. And now the print of C. Print the value on the screen. After printing, interchange the result in second number and the first number in B. Now the A equal to B and B equal to C. That means after printing third value, second number is assigned to first number, third number is assigned to second number. Again, the value is increasing, I equal to I plus 1. This process is repeated after n numbers. Okay, now here the logic, I will explain the logic. Now run this one through the using. So here n value, what is the n value? And now here, what is A value? And what is B value? And what is the C value? And what is the output? What is the output of the Fibonacci series? Now here the first statement is how in Fibonacci series enter how many numbers you want. For example, if you want to print the Fibonacci series is 6 numbers or 7 numbers or 8 numbers, any number. So now the first initialize the value a value equal to 0. Okay, clear? And the second time initialize the value b value equal to 1. And the next one print of a. The output is print the value of a on the screen 0. And print of b, the output of value of b is print on the b1. Okay, clear up to here. And the next one, so now now the value equal to I value. Increasing I is a counter variable here. The initialize the I value equal to starting value equal to 1. While I is less than or equal to 1. I value means 1 is less than or equal to n minus 2. That means 6 minus 2. That is equal to 4. 6 minus 2. N value is 6. So n value is 6. So 6 minus 2 the value equal to 4. Now here execute first statement. If the condition true, the body of the loop will be executed. C equal to a plus b. A value is 0. B value is 1. 0 and 1. Now the addition perform the C value equal to 1. And the next statement, print this statement, the print of C value is 1. And here, swapping, interchanging. A B value is assigned to A. B value is 1. 1 is assigned to A. Okay, clear. Again, the next this one, C value is assigned to B. C value is 1. 1 is assigned to. The next I value is increased. Now here I value equal to. After completing all these statements, again the control goes to back while loop. Again, check the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 4. This condition returns 2. Immediately perform the addition operation. C is equal to A plus B. The new value of A is 1. The new value of B is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2. Now the C value equal to 2. Again, the next statement is executed. Print of C on the screen 2. And here the value of B is assigned to A. B value is 1. 1 is assigned to A. The value of C is assigned to B. C is 2. The C value is assigned to A. And I value equal to I plus 1. Now the I value equal to 3. Clear. Up to here, all of you. Next one, I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. I value is 3. Again, the control goes to back. 3 is less than or equal to 4. 3 is less than or equal to 4. This condition returns true. 3 is less than or equal to 4. This condition returns true. Again, the next execute the body of the loop. The body of the loop will be executed. A plus B. A value is 1 and the B value is 2. A plus B, that is equal to C equal to 3. Print of C. 3 value print on the screen. And next B value is assigned to A. B value is 2. 2 is assigned to A. C value is assigned to B. C value is 3. 3 is assigned to B. Again, the next one I value is increasing. Now here the I value equal to 4. Again, the control goes to back. 4 is less than or equal to 4. This condition returns true. So again, immediately execute the body of the loop. In the body of the loop, C equal to A plus B. A plus B. C equal to A plus B. A value is 2 and the B value is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Print of C. And the output on the screen value is 5. Again, the next B value is assigned to A. B value is assigned to A. The B value is 3. 3 is assigned to A. That is equal to A. Again, C value assigned to B. Now the C value is 5. 5 is assigned to B. Again, the control goes to next I value. The I value equal to 5. Again, go to back. Here, check the condition. 5 less than or equal to 4. This condition returns false. Immediately the control transfer to next statement of the while loop. This is the Fibonacci series. To print the Fibonacci series values up to n numbers. So now run the module. Okay. In Fibonacci series, enter how many numbers you want. Now I want the 6 numbers. Now I want to print the 6 numbers. So now here the output is in Fibonacci series, how many numbers you want. Fibonacci series is 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, and perform these two operations. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, again up to n numbers you want. Okay, clear up to here, all of you guys. And the next one more important point. For example, here if n value is negative, what happens? If n value is negative, what happens? If n value is only 1, okay, what happens? If n value is more than 1, and then what? In this situation, these 3 conditions I will explain in the next term. Here, one more. So for example, same program is running, but with condition, with different condition. Based on the condition, if n value is only 1, If n value is 0, if n value is negative, then what happens? If here check the condition, here check the condition. If n value is less than or equal to 0, if n value is less than or equal to 0, print, sorry, cannot print Fibonacci series. Cannot print Fibonacci series. Sorry, cannot print Fibonacci series. You are under the negative number. Sorry, cannot print the Fibonacci series. For example, if n value equal to 1, n value equal to 1, print only top I. If else, now run the module. And here this is the logic of the entire program. This is a complete program. Here, if any different condition, print the Fibonacci series with different conditions, Now see the entire program. Okay, how many numbers you want in input? How many numbers you want? If n value, a value 0, b value 1, n is less than or equal to 0. And here check the condition. The I value equal to, if n is less than or equal to, sorry, cannot print Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series printing is not possible. It cannot print Fibonacci. If n equal to only 1, print only 1. Print off, otherwise, else print a, print b I equal to 1, and repeat the loop up to n time. Now run the module. Okay. Now here enter -8. -8 Fibonacci series. Output is, sorry, cannot print Fibonacci series. You are entered the negative number, sorry, cannot print the Fibonacci series. For example, run the one more time. Okay. Enter Fibonacci series. How many times? I want to print only 1. To print only 1, the 1 series is only 0. For example, you want the Fibonacci series. How many numbers you want? Positive number 8. 8 numbers are printed like this: 0, 1, 2, again the 2, 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 13. This is complete Fibonacci series program. Up to here, clear, guys? Okay. Thanks for watching this video.